Using CIBC Aventura points for flights is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Through the CIBC Rewards Center, firstly visit the CIBC Rewards Center website or call 1-888-232-5656. Provide your Aventura points balance and the desired flight details, destination, dates, travel class. A CIBC Rewards Center agent will search for available flights and provide you with options. Once you select a flight, you can confirm the redemption using your Aventura points. Through the CIBC Aventura Flight Finder, first of all, visit the CIBC Aventura Flight Finder website. Enter your departure and arrival cities, travel dates, and travel class. Select the Aventura Points option as the payment method. The tool will display available flights and the corresponding Aventura Points cost. If you find a suitable flight, you can click on Book to proceed with the redemption.